hiker boxes. This big old rattlesnake, it was sitting right next to the trail. Back on trail. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a thunderstorm coming in, so I'm gonna wait it out under this roof. That rainy pass, that means it is 60 miles to the Canadian border. Was in Thruhike yesterday and learned that day a mudslide taking out the road over Hart Pass. So if that doesn't get reopened, I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to get off the PCT once I hit the border. But it doesn't sound like it's too bad, so I'm hoping road will be reopened by the time I get there on Friday. This is Cutthroat Pass. The view, pretty spectacular. Stop for a berry picking break. This is Hart's Pass. That means I'm 30 miles from the Canadian border. It's pretty annoying. It's starting to rain. Really don't want to get to camp all wet, but maybe it'll just sprinkle for a bit. I'm going to set up camp here. Just leave all of my non-essential items, because it's 15 miles to the border. There might be a little bit of rain, but shouldn't be much. So I'll drop probably 3-4 pounds here. That way, get lighter load to and from the border, and it forces me to do 40 miles today, because I can't camp without all my shit. And that will help me get to Hart's Pass a good time tomorrow and get out of here. All set. Pack is way lighter. This is nice. Coming up on Rock Pass. At Rock Pass, that'll be 14 miles to the border. Gorgeous. Gorgeous view. is the top of Rock Pass. So the trail winds down and then up that pass. There's another fire over here. That whole hillside is pretty sparsely covered, so, and this is all already burned. Probably not too much chance of spreading too big. So, looks like more thunderstorms coming in. The danger there, that's only 4.5 miles away. And if that spots across that little hillside into the timber here, over here, that'll become a big problem. But I'll see how it looks after I come back today. Here we are, northern terminus. Here's the monument. Here's the border marker. And then Canada's on this way. And it's been raining pretty hard. It just stopped, so that's nice, I guess. Just a bunch of really annoying little gnats here. I don't feel much of anything right now. Really no excitement. I've just been kind of annoyed all day by the fact that Hart's Pass is closed, and that means it's an extra like 20 miles, so then I'm rationing food, and so I'm just hungry. I've been hungry all day yesterday, hungry today, and yeah, there's no energy left for excitement. I'm just hungry, and I want to be done and get out of here. Climbing out of Holman Lake now. Pretty nice sunset. Wow. There's that fire again. Looks like it grew a little bit. 11 o'clock. Back here. Time for bed. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Last day on the PCT. I think the road should be open now. We shall see. 2 miles from Hart's Pass now. Here's Hart's Pass. Let's see if Ziggy's out here. Looks like people are coming up, so that's good. Here's Ziggy.
Sandwiches as we go through this until it's all gone.
Nice.
Quad.